Let me show you how you guys can delete your Amazon Prime account. Well, it's pretty simple. Since your Amazon Prime account is linked with your Amazon account, if you want to delete your Amazon Prime account, you have to be ready to delete your Amazon account. To do that, you need to open up your browser. And on your browser, just search for Amazon account delete like this. Once you search for it, it's going to show you request the closer. Click on that option. It'll take you to Amazon's account deleting page. Over here, log in into your Amazon account first. Once you log in into your Amazon account, scroll down, close your account. It's going to be in blue color like this, so you can just scroll down, see it, and click on it. Once you do that, you can scroll down again. It basically shows if you delete your Amazon account, you will lose access to all this. We just want to lose access to this, so this is also included. That's good. Scroll down and choose a reason, doesn't matter anything. Click on this, then click on close my account. Once you do that, your account will be closed along with your Amazon account as well. So that's how you guys can delete Amazon Prime account. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.